So can you give me an overview of your role in the medical travel sector?
Yeah, sure. It's threefold really with Intuition. One of the areas we operate in is a publisher, media such as Treatment Abroad for the consumer market and International Medical Travel Journal for the business-to-business market. We're an intelligence provider researching the medical tourism market for our own reports or on behalf of governments, organisations abroad. And finally, we provide solutions. So if we have a hospital or clinic somewhere around the world looking to explore the market or penetrate it, we'll deliver a marketing or research solution to do that.
You're going to be talking about the medical numbers game. Can you tell us what that means?
Yeah, sure. I've written a couple of blog articles about this over the years. One of the biggest challenges for the sector for me is that you can't really measure success or failure. So that in terms of counting medical tourists at the simplest level, there's massive variation. There's no standard approach to that, and it's something we need to fix.
Why is that important? Why do you need that consistency?
We need to have a clear view of what's going on in the industry. The numbers that are quoted are, let's say, exaggerated, hyped, or quite often just very simply they're wrong. If you interrogate some of the numbers that get put out there at conferences, through publications and so on, and look into the detail of the numbers, you can see that we have a really serious issue about measuring the current state of the market and where we're going in the future.
So are you putting forward some new figures, or are you looking at ways of gathering existing data in a more robust way?
We'll be looking at the figures that we gather at IMTJ, where we're trying to put some kind of validity on the statistics that are out there and putting some proposals forward to how we can kind of take the industry forward in this area.
And all this is going to be discussed at the IMTJ Summit in London in April. Why should people come to that summit?
An important factor of this is that London is one of the major hubs of medical travel. It's in terms of revenues generated from international patients. It's certainly in the top 5 destinations around the world. Important that people come there to learn how those hospitals have been successful. We'll also have some of the best people around in medical travel. I've been to many events. We've cherry-picked the best speakers from around the world who have some real insight and share their experience with the people who come.
And who's it aimed at? What's your typical sort of target audience to attend this event?
We're aiming at senior people around the industry, the heads of hospital groups, hospital executives, people in governments, organisations where medical travel, medical tourism is a solution to their healthcare needs, or where they're looking to grow their economy through attracting medical tourists.